Welcome! Today we're going to talk about this beautiful 2020 Infiniti Q60 LUXE all-wheel drive that we have for sale. One awesome performance luxury coupe. This one features intelligent all-wheel drive. Great for the wet, slippery weather we have here in the Pacific Northwest. We're having some August rain right now. So with 300 horsepower and an intelligent all-wheel drive system, this thing can still have amazing performance in wet conditions like this. We're a rear-wheel drive version. You step on the gas and the rear wheels are going to have a hard time putting down all that power in wet roads. It's just the opposite of Tesla's amazing, with Infiniti's amazing Tesla all-wheel drive system. Tesla stands for Advanced Total Traction Engineering System for all-terrain. We've been using this all-wheel drive system in Infiniti products for a little over 20 years. It originally was derived from an early version of the Nissan Skyline GTR. It is a racing-inspired all-wheel drive system. We're happy to have this low-mileage example. It's a 2020 with only 13,855 miles. Very nicely equipped with features. Beautiful color combination in midnight black on graphite leather. This one has the Essential package. That was $3,200, giving you navigation with premium traffic and Map Care Plus, voice recognition for navigation functions, automatic collision notification and emergency call, Wi-Fi hotspot, SiriusXM traffic and travel links. That's a subscription-based system. Power tilt and telescoping steering column, driver's seat, power lumbar and side bolsters, dual occupant memory seats for driver's seat, steering column and outside mirrors, heated front seats and steering wheel, remote engine start, auto dimming outside mirrors with reverse tilt down function. Then we have the ProAssist package. That was $1,650, giving you blind spot warning, backup collision intervention, a round view monitor with moving object detection, and front and rear sonar system, as well as rain sensing wipers. And this has a leather seating package. That was $1,350. This lovely shade of midnight black was a $595 premium color. Then we have the Infiniti interior ambient lighting system, $510. Then the upgraded 19-inch 10-spoke dual finish wheels, $1,640. So it is original MSRP close to $60,000. This one's certified pre-owned. You can only get a certified pre-owned Infiniti from a new Infiniti retailer like us. You get roadside assistance and trip interruption benefits for the duration of the certified warranty. You get a 6-year, 75,000-mile certified warranty. Your first year basic maintenance is complimentary. You pretty much get all the benefits you normally would as a brand new Infiniti, complimentary Infiniti service loaner vehicles. So we have that beautiful perforated leather interior, moonroof, nice alloy trim. We have a drive mode selector that will make changes to steering effort, transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction, and stability control settings. So you have Snow, Eco, Standard, Sport, and you can personalize it. 7-speed automatic transmission. It has a manual shift mode. You pull the shifter back, you push to the left, you push up to upshift, back to downshift. It'll give you rev matched downshifts for a sportier sound and feel. You notice we have a dual display system. The top screen is for navigation and parking camera. We also have a 360-degree around view monitor with backup collision intervention. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Dual zone auto climate control, of course. Power adjustable steering wheel that tilts and telescopes. Bose performance sound system. Really beautiful automobile. The Q60 is an absolutely gorgeous coupe. Built and assembled in Japan. You have amazing build quality and durability. Beautiful lines. There's those upgraded wheels. Goes nicely with the black exterior. Beautiful styling on the front end as well. For an engine, we have a twin turbo V6 pumping out 300 horsepower. The Q60 is built on the same advanced front Midship platform as the Nissan Z. So you have amazing handling and performance. The reason why they call it the advanced front Midship platform is they take the engine and they place it as far back behind the front axle as possible, so it's almost like a mid-engine vehicle, so the center of gravity is as close to the center vehicle as possible. Just helping the handling and performance. Decent sized trunk for a coupe. Beautiful styling. There you have it. One gorgeous example of a 2020 Q60 LUXE all-wheel drive. Thanks for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully see you soon and have a wonderful day.